Now let's welcome Guangzhou Vomica Company Limited.
Hello, Lian. Hello.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Ronan.
Hello.
Right?
Yes, Lian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ronan.
Yes. Okay. I'm from Guangzhou Vomica Lighting Company. Okay. Let me introduce our company for you. Okay.
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. We are a lighting factory in Guangzhou. Our many products are garden light, street light, floor light. Okay. Let me show our main series for you. Okay. You can check our catalog. Yes. Our main products are LED garden light. Okay. Garden light and street light. And this one is floor light. This one is low light and floor light and outdoor wall light and high light in the warehouse. Yes. And the linen light and the indoor light. Okay. The next time, let me introduce our many product. LED garden light is this our hot selling in all over the world. Yes.
Okay. Let's
for
see.
Me. Yes.
Okay.
This one is our new design LED garden light. You can see it's very beautiful. It always used in garden, park, shop plaza, and public area. Okay, let me change the camera. Okay, you can see it's very beautiful, and the black metal finish. You can see this one is black metal finish. Normally we can use we can make the black. The normally color is black metal finish and the silver metal finish. This one is the silver metal finish.
Oh, silver. Okay.
Yes. This one is silver metal finish, and this one is black metal finish. You can see that this cover is made of die-cast aluminum, and this base is a die-cast aluminum base, and this one is clearly UVPC color. UVPC cover. You can see. Yes. This base is a wave design. You can see is very beautiful, and the LED chips inside through the clearly UVPC. You can check the LED chips.
Yeah.
Yes, and very beautiful. The housing is made of die-cast aluminum, and this cover. PC cover is imported by German buyer. Yes.
Oh, okay.
The quality is very good. Normally, we can provide 5 years warranty for you. Normally, we use the Minware driver and Philips Lumen 3013 LED chips.
Okay.
We can provide it with you 5 years warranty. Yes.
5 years.
This
warranty.
Is our new design. Yes. This is our new design LED garden lamps, and this one silver matte finish is our classic LED garden light. Yes, you can see. This one is also very beautiful. It's hot selling in Singapore and Europe and South Africa. Yes, it's very beautiful. Yes. Okay, light on the garden light show for you. Yes.
Okay.
You can see through the clearly PC cover and check the LED chips. It's very beautiful. Okay. Normally, this LED garden light used for garden, park, and another landscape area. Okay. Let me check it. Another one is this. This is also our classic design. You can see some different from the others is the base. You can see the base. the base is some different. Yes, this base is suitable for diameter 70 and 6, and this base is suitable diameter 60. Okay, is different from this. Yes, and for this three types with different price. Based on your requires different configuration. Yes, normally if you want the 5 years warranty, we can provide it with you Cree LED chips or Philips Lumen LED 3013 LED chips or Osram LED chips, and based on the Mousho driver and the Mingware driver is our normally used. This configuration is the best. This configuration is a 5 years warranty. Yes, if you want the 3 years warranty, and we can provide it with you another standard LED chips and the driver. It's the price is some different, and I can meet your another request. Yes.
It meets our budget.
And this one, and this one is our classic design. It's very popular in Singapore. You can see this one is used for E27 LED bulbs normally. Yes, this is very beautiful. You can see. This different from this one is E27 LED bulbs, and this one is LED chips.
Okay.
You can see. Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to make this one for E27 LED bulbs, we can also make it for you. Yes, just like this. You can see. These two designs is our classic designs. And we had some new designs. Follow me, okay?
Okay, yeah, follow you.
Yes. This is our new designs. You can see.
Okay.
This is our new designs, especially of this. This is our new designs in this year. Yes, it's very beautiful. You see.
It's circle, right? And it's downlight. It's the LED chip inside.
Yes. You can see there are through the crystal cover. You can see that the LED chips inside is look very nice. You can see that it is suitable for diameter 60. Yes, you can see that this lighting power is a diameter 60. Yes, and
so what's the voltage for the light?
Sorry, you can.
What's the voltage? It's from 100 to 220, or it's.
Yes. Whatever you from which country, we can also provide you with different what for you. If you're from American, we can provide you with 110 the what is for you. And if you're from the European, if you're from the Europe, we can provide with you European standard. What is for you?
Yeah.
Yes. Meanwhile, this is our new design. Scholar garden light is our new design. Yes, you can see. Is this the wave design base? Yes, you can see the wave design base and the crystal cover and the LED chips inside. Okay, the cover is the LED Scholar panel. The Scholar panel, yes. The quality is very good. For this light, we can provide it with you 3 years warranty. If you are interested in this one, Scholar garden light, we can show our more designs for you. Okay, follow me to check our another design, the design garden light. Yes, you can see. this one is our new design garden, Scholar Garden Light. Yes, this one is very beautiful. And then you can see this one is wave design.
Yeah, I can see
yes.
a picture. Yeah, I can see your catalog.
Yes. The time is urgent. Okay, let me introduce our another series for you. Okay, you can see our another LED street light. Our LED street light is also high quality. We can provide it with you 5 years warranty. Normally we use the Philips Lumens 3030 LED chips, and the meanwhile driver is our normally use. Okay. Yes, you can see. This street light is very beautiful.
So it's well waterproof, right?
Okay. Okay, it's our street light, and this one is our floodlight. Floodlight is normally used on a garden and park. On the other arrow, you can see. Yes. This is our floodlight. It's very beautiful, and the waterproof rating normally is IP65 and 66. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
You can see. This light is a wall light, and this one is the high-bay light normally used for warehouse, factory, and other inside area or the parking lot.
Parking lot.
Yeah. You can. Yes. This floodlight is the cheap option. Is normally we provided this light for the Africa silence. Yes, there are many people like this design light. Yes, because this is very cheap, and the quality is also good. We can provide you with this light 3 years warranty.
Okay.
Yes.
Would you like to show us this product more clearly? You can take it, hold it in your hand, and you can show us.
This light is those light may be some very heavy. I cannot.
Okay.
I cannot.
Okay, you cannot even hold it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. It's very heavy. Normally, this light one piece has more than 60 kilograms.
Wow! Yes. Wow! It should have good quality.
Yes, it's very heavy, so I cannot put on my hands.
Okay.
Yes, okay, you can see, and this is our fence light. Normally in China, others is street light, city decoration, decoration projectors. Yes, normally we use this designs, and also we had some LED lawn lights. It's also beautiful. You can see it's LED lawn lights. Yes, it's all lawn lights. Normally used for garden and park and parking lot areas. You can see it's very beautiful.
Yeah, I can see. Yes. With different shape of the line. It's
Yes.
Okay.
We had some. We had many projects in China and other foreign countries. Yes, you can see this project is from Singapore and the Singapore airport.
Oh,
and you can see the South Africa and Singapore. We have many students from Singapore, so our client is very good. Normally, we receive some satisfying from our customer. Yes, this is our certification. We had CE certifications and the ROSE certifications and MAKE certifications. You can see.
Okay. Yeah. You are a famous company.
Yes. Our company in Guangzhou. If anyone has time, meet for us in Guangzhou, we can contact me. Yes, I will happy to welcome you to to our factory. Yes, you can see our whole showroom. Our whole showroom. Yes.
Yeah, I can see a lot of product in your showroom, and thank you for showing us around about your products. And I can see the finished project in different countries. So you have to do well in your good job.
Yes.
Yeah. So at the last, would you like to type your contact information, or you want to give us your phone number, or you want to give us your website?
Yes, I will market I will market it later. Okay.
Yeah.
You can contact me. My name is Ronan. Our email is Ronan Vomica at 163.com. Okay, I will market it on it. Okay.
Yes, you're just typing down on the screen.
On this studio, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes, please. Okay. So thank you again for Rona, and hope see you next time.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.